Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure property management with PropertyNest, detailed guide step by step clearly. To secure property management with PropertyNest, start by visiting the PropertyNest website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required details to register your account. Once registered, log in with your new credentials. Navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Select Add Property to begin the property management process. Input essential property information, including location and type. Upload high-quality images of the property to attract potential tenants. Set competitive rental rates based on market analysis. Highlight key features and amenities in the property description. Utilize the marketing tools provided by PropertyNest to promote your listing. Monitor inquiries and respond promptly to potential tenants. Use the scheduling tool to arrange property viewings efficiently. Once you've found a suitable tenant, access the lease agreement template. Customize the lease agreement details according to your rental terms. Review the agreement thoroughly before sending it to the tenant. Receive electronic signatures for a seamless leasing process. Collect the security deposit and first month's rent through the platform. Set reminders for important dates, such as lease renewals and maintenance. Integrate the financial management tools for tracking income and expenses. Utilize the tenant communication features to maintain a positive landlord-tenant relationship. In case of maintenance requests, use the platform to assign tasks to your maintenance team. Stay updated with the property management dashboard for performance insights. Always ensure compliance with local rental regulations and laws. Reassess and adjust rental prices periodically based on market trends. Leverage customer support if you encounter any issues or need assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively secure property management with PropertyNest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.